thing.
Yeah, I love the head.
Me too.
You gotta suck the head when you're eating shrimp.
Always gotta suck the head.
Hi-ya! Oh my god, this pot is bigger than me. Do you have the thing with the holes? What is it called?
Strainer, yeah. I do garlic sauce mild because I'm a baby back bitch. It got me in the heart. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am joined by my lovely, beautiful friend, Kim Tai.
Hi.
Tell us a little about yourself, Kim.
My name's Kim and I have 4 dogs.
That's it. Kim and I have been friends for like 6 years?
6. We met on Twitter.
We met on Twitter.
6 years ago, right?
We're like OG creator friends, and for some reason it's taken us 6 years to film a collab together, but today we are doing a 2-part video. 1 part's going on Kim's channel, which in case you guys didn't know, she's not only the best vlogger in the world, I literally love every vlog she puts out, every minute of it, my favorite. She also has a mukbang channel. We're gonna be doing a mukbang on her channel today, eating the food that we are creating now. And what are we doing today, Kim?
Making a seafood boil at home.
I'm so excited.
So easy.
We're doing shrimp, lobster, and crab, and Kim's gonna teach me how to cook it all, and it's gonna be delicious. So if you guys want the recipe, she has given us permission to put it on Cooking with Remy. It'll be linked down below, and then we're gonna eat the seafood after, the most important part, on her mukbang channel, which will be so fun. And I've never done an official mukbang. No, I don't know how to do it. So you're gonna have to teach me.
All you have to do is eat.
I can
The
do
food
that.
is good.
I can do that easily. Well, let's get cooking.
I forgot to say that with you.
Okay, should we do it again? I feel weird. Well, let's get cooking.
Let's prep.
We're prepping.
Yeah, I think prepping takes the longest.
Okay.
And then once you just like boom, 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 it's done. Wash everything, like everything.
We wash this first?
I do.
Oh, no, you should, okay.
Yeah, I do.
So today we're doing lobster, king crab, and shrimps.
With head.
Which this is my favorite, I think.
Yeah, I love the
part.
head.
Me too.
You gotta suck the head when you're eating shrimp.
Always gotta suck the head.
That's where the juice is.
It's where, it's like actually like all the organs and stuff, right? Yeah, cut that. So behind us, we have a large pot, as you can see. We filled it with like a few inches of water, and we're gonna steam the seafood in there. And then we also have another pot filled with water, and we're gonna boil the corn and the potatoes, correct? The teacher's not speaking.
Just admiring your work.
Okay, so I wash all these?
Yeah, let's
Okay.
wash everything. Do you have the thing with the holes? What is it called?
Strainer, yeah.
You wanna do the corn?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not too good at that. I'll wash the seafood.
It's corn season, you know?
Really?
Yeah.
Is it watermelon season too? And it's peony season.
What did you just call it?
Peonies! Is it not called peonies?
It's peony.
No, girls, peonies. Really? I've been saying it wrong my whole life. Peonies. Now you gotta say peonies.
Okay, it is peony
You
season.
wanna save some or do you wanna cook all?
I want to cook it all. I'm going to an event. I'm gonna get drunk, and I want to come home and eat that tonight. So Kim,
Yes.
how did your mukbang channel begin?
I was in college at the time. Do you remember I used to live at my mom's house?
I know. I'd come pick you up.
I know, and we would go to Corner Bakery, right?
One time I went to lunch with Kim at Corner Bakery and just cried about my love life and how sad I was. And
I think we were both single at the time, no?
No, you had just started dating Carlos. You were
Really?
like freshly with Carlos, and you were like, girl, dump his ass. Move on. I think about that all the time.
But yeah, I started at my mom's house and I was in college at the time. So my classes were like super late. So I would just eat ramen at like 1 in the morning in the vlogs. And it became a thing where people were like, I really love your eating portions in your vlogs. And then I started incorporating the ramen in, and then mukbangs like started becoming a thing.
I was gonna say, you were kind of part of the wave before it got huge.
And then the seafood thing became a thing.
Oh my God, Kim would literally order like 15-pound lobsters. It was insane. My favorite thing about Kim is randomly, at least once every couple weeks, you've kind of stopped because I told you to stop.
What?
Text me and be like, I have this dog that I need to find a home. Can you find it a home? And I was like, I would then find it a home. And then this bitch, as soon as I found it a home, she'd be like, oh, it's already actually found a home. And then I have to tell the people that I found.
I tried though. I tried.
I know.
It's my thing. Like every 2 months, I found a stray.
Oh, that looks so good.
Colors are so pretty. Now we can, do you have a big basket, bowl?
I don't have a bucket, but I have a bowl.
Yeah. Oh my God, this pot is bigger than me.
Kim has informed me to put this into the bottom. Should I devein the lobster? Do you normally do that?
You know what, girl? I just eat everything.
Okay, let's eat it.
I'm still alive.
Man, this is a lot of seafood.
And then halves would be perfect. Ooh. Yeah. So you like bite into them. They're like a good amount of carbs too.
Ooh, you know what I've been doing lately? hard-boiled eggs in it.
Oh yeah, it's so good.
I love a hard-boiled egg, and I love a potato. Red potatoes are my favorite. I can't wait
Do
to
you
try
eat with
this.
cucumbers?
I love cucumbers. I actually just grew my first cucumber and I ate it for breakfast.
Oh my
I
goodness.
should have saved it for today.
You have to show me your garden. I will. I tried gardening, you guys. It lasted 2.5 days.
Honestly, I'm surprised like the gardening stuck as long as it has with me.
Do you eat crawfish?
I love crawfish.
Okay.
I think it's my favorite.
If you invite me back next time.
Okay. You can come whenever you want, you know?
Can we do a crawfish boil?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, no, I'm not even kidding. Like I have the pot.
Oh.
I just I just need to go get the stove.
Okay.
We have to do it in our backyard or your backyard.
Stop, like the pot. The pot.
And like oranges.
Yes.
And like
And the orange juice.
Yes,
Okay.
we have to do that.
I'm down. Steamy. Oh, my pores are open. Look at that lobster tail. I can't believe that you cooked the seafood first. The one time I did this, I completely messed it up.
What did you do?
I cooked the seafood in the sauce. Oh God! Suddenly it's not cooking with Remy and I don't know what's happening. Besties! This video is for the boys that I met at Encore Beach Club when I was blacked out and they told me they love Kim Thai.
I was so excited. I literally woke up and I was like, what?
They were like, I love Kim Thai. And I was like, me too. Here we go. Cute. Aww, he's so little. Kimmy has instructed me to measure out all the seasonings.
Yes.
This is the most seasonings I've ever used in my entire life.
I would like to share that this is the best sausage ever.
What is it?
It is the Adele's Cajun style.
Andouille sausage. After seeing all these seasonings, I'm kind of like realizing I'm a little more plain than I thought. But I'm excited for all of these. Like normally I eat the chicken sausage of this, chicken apple one that's like sweet. It's good, but I'm excited for these new flavors. We're using chicken bouillon. Apparently we have to have Slap Your Mama Cajun seasoning, and this is the Louisiana fish fry Cajun seasoning. Where do you get these at?
So Slap Your Mama you can find on Amazon. You can use Remy's link down below.
Did you make me links?
I did?
Yes, I did.
I thought she made me links.
Yeah, I just sent you links
She
too.
literally sent me a PDF with literally all links already attached with full instructions for us.
Because this is hard. This is hard to find. So I just buy it off Amazon, but I was lucky to find it at Walmart as well.
Love.
And then that one I found at Stater Brothers, but I don't know. That's also hard to find. Do you like your sausage like round or diagonal?
Round.
That's my girl.
Compared to like boiling crab, what flavor profile are we getting today? Because boiling crab is very like lime and garlic and like Cajun. Is it similar or is it different?
I think it depends on what you get though at boiling, huh?
I get the garlic sauce personally.
do?
I do
Okay.
garlic sauce mild because I'm a baby back bitch.
I go to Kick and Crab a lot and I get the Kickin' style. This sauce is more, I would say, more Cajun.
Okay.
Yeah, more Cajun and a lot of butter.
I love butter. Did you make this recipe by just like tasting and going and changing it over the years?
I was craving a seafood boil, and then you know where I live now, there's no seafood places. So I opened up my seasoning drawer and I put 1 tablespoon of everything.
Oh. The seasonings are hitting my nose, that's for sure. Cayenne.
This
Oh
goes in.
shit.
This goes in with the butter.
Ooh, it smells good. Actually, I'm gonna be honest, I'm not the biggest Cajun person,
Ooh, okay.
but maybe I just haven't had the right stuff. So I'm open to trying everything.
With the butter, it's everything. I'm gonna check on the seafood.
Butter makes everything better. This is gonna take me a while. There's also definitely a way better way to do this. Just a shot in the dark right now.
Reb, I'm coming right behind you with the ladder.
Okay,
Because I cannot see anything.
man, I swear, take cooking with Remy away from me and I don't know how to cook anymore. What am I doing right now?
Oh, this is much better.
Are you gonna go buy a 3-step ladder now for your
want this
kitchen?
now. It's looking beautiful. The color is very vibrant.
Woo! Slap your mama. Ooh, very paprika forward.
It's so good.
Wait, there's no paprika in this. Ow! As we said, everything will be linked down below for you guys if you want to do this too. Oh, this smells so good. This smells like Lowry seasoned salt.
Do you have a little knife? We can cut a little triangle.
Oh, squeeze it
yeah,
out?
I just made it easier for you.
Genius. Oh my God, she's so smart. Wow. Just 1 tablespoon of that?
Yes.
Oh my God, I've actually never bought this stuff before. I love sriracha, but I've never. Mmm. Wow, that hits the nostrils. Good arm workout.
Okay, now I just wait for the shrimp.
All right, guys, our seafood's almost done. All of our prep work is done, and now we can make the sauce. Kim said we're gonna use this as a dipping sauce today, so we like dip the seafood in rather than coating it, but you can do whichever you prefer. And she specified that we use Kerrygold butter today.
Yes, it's mandatory.
Mandatory.
Salted.
You can't make it unless you have this butter. This is really one of the best butters. Also, Kim said we need 2 cups of garlic. So I prepped this before. This is no joke, like 60 cloves of garlic.
Yeah.
I was just like,
You need it.
mashing it all up today. And if anybody ever sends me a garlic meme again, you can't, because the most I've ever used is like 10. This is 60. But it's gonna be delicious. And I believe we start by putting the butter into this pot.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Are you okay?
It got me in the heart.
Then I'm gonna put the garlic in.
So Kim, do I put this in now?
Yeah.
What's your favorite memory of me? What's your favorite thing about me?
Okay, my favorite thing about Remy, aside from the fact that you make me buy everything on Amazon.
Love.
I just love that you're so positive and always happy, and you really bring that into other people's lives. I'm gonna cry.
Just kidding, you didn't have to say it. I feel the same way about you though. And you make the best vlogs, which like I turn a vlog on and I get so much stuff done. You make me the most productive queen in the world.
Oh my gosh. Because they're like an hour long.
No, literally, I do the laundry, I mow the lawn. I don't even have a lawnmower. Somehow I'm mowing the lawn.
So we're just gonna melt
That
that.
looks bomb.
And then the fun part, we just throw everything in.
All of these in?
Yeah.
I actually think I'd prefer this sauce over the sweet sauce. Like I want like savory,
Yes.
garlicky Cajun. when I
You're
have
gonna get a lot. Now when you do the Thai chili peppers, it adds like that Asian like,
Oh,
hit.
yes.
Oh my God, it's so
there were
good.
peppers that Kim wanted me to get, but I didn't have time to go to the Korean grocery store. We'll have to do that next time, but apparently Thai chili peppers in them are really good. Is it Thai chili peppers? And they're at the Korean grocery store?
H Mart should have it.
Now we're doing our seasonings. First off, we have 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon powder, which I've had in my cabinet. I've been wanting to cook with it. I just didn't know what to use it with. But it smells like delicious concentrated chicken flavor. 2 tablespoons of that, and then everything else is 1 tablespoon. We have black pepper, crushed red pepper, Cajun seasoning. This one's cayenne. This one's slap ya mama.
I love that name.
Lemon pepper. There's so much. Basil. And what's this one? Garlic chili?
Yes.
Garlic chili by the people that make sriracha. Yum, yum, yum. Oh my God, it smells amazing.
Put the Cajun sausage in, and it's gonna suck up all of the butter Cajun flavor. The shrimp's good?
They look so
Okay,
good.
good.
It's just boiled shrimp, but it smells so good.
Okay, I'm gonna add the corn in.
She's such a cooking show host. Look at her. You're like my mom. You warmed up after a little while.
At home, like talking to Carlos. I'm doing the corn now. I don't wanna overcook the potatoes, so I'll add that at the end.
I love potatoes. Oh my God, Kim, that looks so good. The sausage. The garlic.
Look, you gotta scoop.
The way it's bubbling sounds like lava.
Okay, then we just got a plate.
Shut up. It's ready?
Yeah, we're good.
All right, guys, our spread is all here. Do you want to explain what our spread is, Kim?
Yes, we have king crab legs today. We have shrimp, lobster, Persian, or is it Persian cucumbers?
I think they're like
right?
little cocktail cucumbers. They're like little
so good.
babies.
Crunchy,
love a
delicious.
cucumber.
We have lemon, you can squeeze it on or in the sauce. We have our sauce that we worked really hard on. And then just plain white jasmine rice, and then potatoes and corn.
I'm so excited. All right, we're gonna do a taste test here, and then we're doing the full mukbang on Kim's channel, as I said. Do I need like a spoon?
Yeah, let's get a spoon.
So what
then
do I
you
do?
wanna mix up the sauce. You wanna get all of that garlic. The garlic is honestly the show.
I just take a piece of shrimp and I go?
Yeah, just go for it. I do it a little bit on my
How do you
rice.
do it? Dump it? Oh.
Yeah, I do a little bit on my rice. This is how Carlos likes to eat it.
Yeah. Is it good? Okay, good. Oh my God.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God. Holy sh**. Oh my God.
Speechless.
Oh my God.
It's got a kick,
It's like smoky.
but it's not gonna kill you.
I like it better than boiling crab. Like zesty and spicy. It's like on the back of my throat, but not too spicy. Okay, I need to try. How do I eat this shrimp? Do I dump the whole thing in?
Yeah, and then you can suck.
Oh, yeah. Okay. It's just covered in butter.
Dip her in.
Ooh. Ooh, Rum, that's good.
That's a good shrimp. Good job, Costco.
Costco's got the best shrimp.
Are we doing an ASMR mukbang today or just a regular mukbang?
Regular, we'll talk.
We'll talk. We'll chat.
We'll talk about our past 6 years.
Oh, God, my throat. It's like the back of my throat in a good way. Okay, here I go. Shrimpy. I want some. Oh.
Yes, that's the bite.
I'm good at it, right?
Yes.
Holy.
Yeah.
My life has changed. I can't believe how easy this was. All right, we're gonna go mukbang on Kim's channel. Check it out. Thank you for being on my channel.
Thank you.
We're gonna go eat. Bye.